What's good, niggas? Welcome back to another POV with your boy, Clouded Films. Right now, we at a college campus, bro. As y'all can see, it's hella college students. And I'm about to pick up a college girl and basically drop her off at class in a Hellcat Jailbreak. So, they get straight to the POV drive. Where we going?
The student center.
Let's do it, man. Let's do it. Hopefully I don't hit nobody. I'm gonna try not to. I'm gonna try not to hit nobody. Road bumpy here.
It's your turn.
I know.
Oh, okay.
Put your seatbelt on. I'll make another left, right? Just making sure I got this beat down. Nigga, yeah. All the big booty kids outside.
Did I take one?
Nah, you good. We in regular right now too, y'all. I don't want to put it in no crazy shit, bro.
Go.
Shit's crazy. But somebody walking, they can't go right now. Stop rushing, you gonna make it in time. You a passenger right now, man. Passenger princess, shut up and drive. Well, and ride.
Shut up and drive.
Come on, Chrysler, what you doing, gang?
Oh my goodness.
It's tweaking. She about to get that popped. Come on, gang. Gang trying to kill a nigga. What's going on?
And mid traffic is crazy.
Come on, gang.
Like for real.
Damn, I was just pushing 200 right here. I could have popped it at. I probably would have been in the wrong, though. This shit don't make no damn sense, gang. He whipping that big blue bit though. On the gang, on the guys and on the gang. Big Jeep coming by. Not playing. You be holding on for your life?
Yeah.
Why?
Like, do you see how ripping this seatbelt?
What's wrong? You scared? We gonna make it to class in one piece.
Okay.
Shout out One Piece, man. All my One Piece watchers.
What?
Looking at you know what One Piece is? Oh yeah.
One piece of body?
I dislike the video on my damn self for you saying that shit. Damn it, Pack.
The light? God dang.
Damn, you talking about the light? Man, you don't see how they got that
The
car?
light green. Why you not
Lord. That's a lot of goddamn
you gotta
people.
get out this lane.
Where I gotta go?
In the next lane.
You sure?
Yes, DJ for the... Never mind.
The light gonna go yellow regardless. There's a car behind me. I ain't getting my shit smacked from the back. I don't like it from the back. These niggas can't drive these days. I gotta take my time. Hell yeah. Damn, bro. This how college traffic looking like, man. For all y'all wanna know what the college life is, drop out now. Don't go before you even get started.
Drop out now, don't go.
Real shit, putting you down. If you want a Hellcat, nigga, don't go to college, gang. Don't go to college.
Bro,
Chase your dreams. Don't go to college. Nigga, if you want one of these, if you want a jailbreak, don't go to college, gang. You see all these people? What they doing? They walking to class, gang. They not driving to class. See, that nigga, he's a cool guy. He's in a Beamer going to class. He probably not even in college. He in a Beamer. You know what I mean? He's successful. Somebody back there in a Benz. Putting you down, gang. Do not go to college. Drop out now if you're already in college. Don't go. Don't waste your time. Do not go to college looking at everybody. Look at this curly hair. Come fuck me. Do I stay in this lane?
You gotta turn.
Turn right here. Damn, how you allow that? Shut up, bitch. How you expect me to turn right here?
DJ, you in a Hellcat.
What the fuck that mean?
Make it happen.
You right.
Yeah. Like, what are you talking about?
You right. Like a damn fool. Damn, her butt big. Y'all niggas getting Hellcat POV and booty POV. Ooh, killing 3 birds with 1 stone. I'm fine. This booty big, not my booty. And a Hellcat POV. Ooh, I'm killing 6 birds with 6 stones. This shit is crazy, gang. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to turn, bro.
DJ, just
I should have stayed in the lane that I was in.
shut up and drive.
That's what I think.
Why is they honking?
Cause it's ass right now. Everybody trying to get to class. What the hell is going on? Fuck it. Everybody else, one more person honk, I'm honking. I don't give a damn. Let somebody else honk. Ah, they not gonna let me turn though. He fucked up. Oh, hey, fucked up, gang. On the gangs, on folks now.
You get behind this green car. It's 2 lanes.
This 2 lanes right here?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Look at all this shit, man. Look at these people, bruh. This shit crazy. College really be packed. Fine shit, cute face, pretty face, double dick, adorable. You know what I mean? I don't see nobody in there bit that look decent. Look at all these damn fools. Nah, shout out to everybody in college, man. If you're in college, do your thing. I still say drop out. Well, don't drop. If you already know, don't drop out, bro. But if you have not went to college yet and you don't know what to do yet, bro, chase your dream first, gang, before you even go to college, gang. I'm putting you down. Chase your dream first, gang. Try first. Damn, what's going on right here? I'm in a Hellcat in the middle of the street. I like a damn fool. I don't think this nigga turning. You know what I'm finna do? Some real ghetto shit. Finna put you down. You ready? Look at buddy. He doing the same shit. It's over with. I don't think this nigga is moving.
Are they parked?
I don't know. Damn, this shit's crazy. Well, at least we stuck in traffic in a Hellcat. Okay, there they go. They moving. But we can't move now. Cause shit, they gotta walk. I don't wanna cluck butt fuck somebody. Man, I ain't gonna lie, old head. You hit me with that Tesla butt, you was gonna be pissed. I got full coverage, nigga. He gonna hate that shit. Now you getting out right here? You hopping in the front, gang? This shit crazy. All right. Let me know how class go, man. What up, nigga?
What up, nigga?
You trying to pick up some college kids? Pick up some college kids in that bit, man.
Kids are crazy.
Huh?
Kids are crazy.
This shit crazy, gang.
These are adults.
And these is adults.
Once you leave high school, you are officially adults.
Damn, man, this shit is crazy. They really be lit out here, bro. Like, all these people in college right now, all these people that you see walking right now is literally in college, bro. And, like, they not even gonna do what they in college for, gang. That's the crazy thing about it. I'm putting you down. Hell yeah.
POV.
Looking at,
I thought you said young dog. I'm not here. God.
there's hella people out there, bitch, too, bro. But it ain't nowhere to park.
That'd be crazy, motherfucker. Like, figure me out if you're behind.
Man, I don't know how long we gonna be stuck right here, but y'all enjoy being stuck in traffic inside a goddamn Hellcat, gang. This shit is crazy. I'm gonna keep my shit in park. Leave it in park. I might as well don't even touch it. This shit right here is insane. It be not moving, gang. It's over. This shit's not moving. I want to see if we can get some good reactions, though. Ain't nobody really walking by, man. Somebody need to walk by, nigga. It's a loose pussy around there, bitch. It's a loose cat. It's a loose cat. It's a cat on the loose. It's a female right here in that car, bro. It's over, gang. It's a loose cat, man. Who the hell gonna notice it? Somebody gonna, oh shit, there's a Hellcat. Trying to put you down, gang. Putting you down. Right now, shit, these niggas don't know what they looking at. They think this a goddamn a Honda Hawk. Some shit. Somebody honking the hell out their horn. Nah, gang.
I'm acting like I ain't see that shit.
Man, this shit here is crazy. This shit here is crazy. Somebody had them up. How the hell got this bitch? I'm gonna leave this shit in park, gang. So, wonderful weather we have in here.
Yeah. So wonderful.
This shit is crazy, bro. This shit is not moving, gang.
This shit deep as fuck, like roaches.
Nah, it's hella people, though. Her shit is back, though, gang. Oh, my God. What? Nigga, what? This bitch lit. This bitch lit, bruh. This bitch lit, bruh. This shit is crazy. This shit is lit, bro. Look out, bro. Oh my God, what? This shit's actually crazy. Y'all, I don't think we gonna go nowhere, bro. I think we gonna be stuck here this whole time, gang. It's over with. College kids, y'all winning. If y'all walking, y'all winning. Cause shit, we can't go nowhere. We stuck in this big gang. It's over with. Where the hell we gonna go? This shit don't make no damn sense. Where you going to hell, boy? Where you going to hell? This shit don't make no damn sense, man. Yeah. Man, this is crazy. Well, y'all try to get y'all a POV driving through the college shit, but as y'all can see, I don't know how long we gonna be right here, gang. So what I'm gonna do, bro, we gonna sit for a little bit. We gonna chill and shit. We gonna try to go to this other college, bro, and see how they be looking. Hopefully we can find a little parking spot or whatever, but college lit, bro. College back in session. For all the people that want to know what college is like in New Mexico, bro, this is New Mexico State University. If y'all niggas want to tap in, tune in. I be at this bit 3 times a week. I'm lying, gang. You're not going to catch me at this bit, but
That was Kevin Gates.
You thought that was Kevin Gates.
Yeah.
Nigga casually see Kevin Gates walking around a goddamn college campus. It's insane.
Kevin Gates look like.
That's actually crazy, gang. Not gonna lie. Putting you down. God damn. This shit crazy. Let me see how far we is from this other college, bro, cause me personally, bro, I'm ready to go. We 10 minutes away from this bit. Thing about it though, we might be a little bit longer though, cause like traffic is ass. It ain't even traffic, gang. It's just right here. It's just right here. It's terrible. They got a big ass bus for New Mexico University. Look at pink over there, man. You see a little pink over there and shit. You know what I'm saying? Bus about loud as shit. Let my window up over there. Bus too damn loud. Here you go right here, bag up the headphones on. Pink. Never mind, gang. You acting scared. What you scared of, gang? You scared? What you scared of, gang? Try her right here.
Right. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Damn, that's crazy.
Yeah, that's crazy.
Yeah.
Curving the Hellcat.
You got curved in the Hellcat, gang.
Passenger seat princess.
Passenger seat princess. Yeah, that's messed up, gang. It be like that though, bro.
I'm like my Corvette in the shop getting wrapped. You got a lot going on.
He talking about you got a line for the one time. Bro, how long we gonna be stuck here, gang? It's over with. Damn, bro, this shit is crazy.
Excuse me.
It's cool, bro. It's just
You
stuff.
know how the one long speed,
The who?
the one long speed, you gotta wait for like the new shoes or the new game and shit trying to come out.
Yeah.
It feel like that shit.
Bro, no way this shit this long. Like, I wanna go home.
It feel like that shit.
Oh, shit. It's a motherfucking mascot. Yo, what? Nigga playing 2K Park.
I know he burning up.
Nigga playing 2K Park on this bitch. It's a mascot walking around this bitch. Oh, her ass out. What?
I know that nigga burning.
What? No way her ass out like that. That was crazy. Boy, what the hell is going on? Boy, I'm trying to finesse the cheeks for y'all and the goddamn video. You know what I mean? Yeah, I mean. Yeah, I mean. Tall, long man. Pause. Bro, I think it's just this lane, bro. Not gonna lie. This lane is not moving. Bro, what the fuck? Like, damn. Nigga, this shit don't make no goddamn sense, cuz. What the hell? Bro, it's this lane, bro. Somebody up here gotta be sitting here.
Man, it's gonna be Friday. Today Wednesday, it's gonna be Friday.
Somebody gotta be just sitting here and they messing up everything. That's what it is. It's no way not a bad bit than walk past it bit. Like, we could at least be bagging while we right here.
Oh God.
This shit don't make no damn sense. This shit crazy. Well, y'all, I'm in this POV right here. I know y'all boys ain't trying to hear me talk and sit here and goddamn watch me be stuck right here. So, hey, y'all like, comment, subscribe if y'all want more videos from me in the Hellcat Jailbreak. You know what I mean? And shit, I'm gonna bring that for y'all. So, hey, subscribe, nigga. No kizzy.